Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. It's the House of Mina. My name is Aziz Amino, CEO of House of Mina. And today, darlings, we'll be learning how to make this fascinator. Can you see this fascinator? So beautiful. So I'll be showing you how I made this fascinator, and I'll be showing you the material you'll be needing for this tutorial. Just look at this and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said earlier, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. So if you are beginners, you can make this. So let's get started. So this is our material that we'll be needing for this project. We'll be needing I'll be showing you what we'll be needing one after the other, and we'll be needing this vest cap. We'll be needing our net. I've already cut this net out. You can use any net of your choice. We'll be using our feathers. So look at the feathers. And you see we'll be needing our flower. You can use that, but just depend on what you want to use. And we'll be needing our Alice pad. Then we'll be needing our ancestry stick. So our glue gum and our scissors for cutting, needle and thread. So this is and I'll be showing the measurements I'll be using for this tutorial. Just look at it. And going to be half 10.5 inches by 8.5 inches. So can you see? Just take a look at it. Can you see? And that is the measurement. So the next thing we'll be doing now, I'm going to be placing the net on the vest cap, just like this. Just pin this down, so you can see, and sew in and out. Can you see? Sew in and out. You can also use the clip to hold it. If you're beginners, try to use a pin to hold it, just a clip to hold it down, so you won't make any mistake. So can you see what I'm doing? So I'll be taking this needle and thread around the net till I get to the last edges. So we're going to be fixing the Alice band to it. Then we fix the Alice band to it. Can you see the tutorial? Can you see it's so easy to do? It's so easy to do. So you're going to cover that part with your ribbon or a streaming, your bias. Just use something to cover that part out. So make it of the hot glue, then you're going to press it down with your hand. Can you see what we are doing? Just press it down just like that. It's so easy to do. Press it and down. Let's go back to this side and can you see? Just look at it. I am. Can you see? So the next thing we'll be doing now, we're going to be designing with our accessory. So this is my flower, my shiny flower brush. Then I'm going to add a little of the glue on it, and I'm going to place it on this just like this. Then I'm going to press it down. Can you see? Can you see? I'm going to press this down. Let's take a look at this. I'll press it down. Can you see what we are doing? So easy to do. So we're going to press this down, and that will be doing now. So I've used my hand to press this down, just like for some minutes. Just press it down. Just hold it the way I hold it, so the flower won't fall out. Just hold it for some minutes. Can you see? Just look at this. So the next thing we'll be doing now, I'm going to be adding my accessory on it and feathers on it. So just add a little hot glue on that stick. So can you see what we are doing? Just take a look at what we are doing. So you're going to fix it after you had your hot glue on it. Just fix this in just like this. Just fix it in. I decided to add more of the accessory to it. You see what we are doing now. Just take a look at this. And the next thing we'll be doing, we're going to be adding our feathers. So I'm going to be adding my feathers. Can you see this is so you can look at this. So the next thing now, I'm going to pick up my feathers and I'm going to take the feathers around. Just look at this. So this is the feathers. Can you see? That's the feathers. So just find out something to. Can you see? Just fix it down. Round it. Just fix it down around it. Just keep fixing it with hot glue. Just add hot glue to it and you're good to go. And so we're doing. So that is the finishing part of this tutorial. So just take a look at this and this is so beautiful and check this out and so beautiful. Can you see? So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Can you see? This is so beautiful. So look at this. So share this video with your friends and family. So we have a lot of tutorials on House of Minion. So amazing tutorial coming on your way. So darlings, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye darling. Bye.